Hello, this is a recording for Saturday, February 14th. Today's practice is titled Hello Fear. It is particularly helpful for managing fear or panic. The following practice is a compilation of thoughts that may be useful to read, repeat, and internalize when you're not panicked, so that when you are on the verge of fear, anxiety, panic, you can bring the simplest, most relevant words to mind. Take a comfortable position and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Even if you're not in the state of fear right now, just listen to the words and internalize them. Oh, hello, fear. I see you. Up to your old tricks again? You are just a feeling. You cannot hurt me. You never do. You're all bark and no bite. I see you, but I am not afraid of you. I am not going to try to escape. I am going to stay right here. You can be here too. I know the drill. You'll make sensations in my body, try to make me afraid, make me feel like I am in danger. But I am not in danger. You'll make me feel like my body is going to collapse. But it never does. Make me feel like it's the end of the world as I know it. It's not. It's all a show. Predictable. I never was in danger, and I'm not this time either. Try to scare me all you want. I am not buying it. I see you. I know your tricks. I am not afraid. I will just sit with the sensations until they pass. I will ride it out. I will be absolutely fine. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I embody that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.